Ever wondered how some people stay a step ahead without revealing their thoughts? Imagine if you could walk into any room and instantly keep everyone guessing. It's not just about staying silent. It's about using that silence as power. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it. To influence without speaking, to win without revealing. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know how to keep them guessing. I use silence strategically. Most people can't handle quiet. They fill it with words, giving away more than they realize. I remain calm, absorbing everything. When you choose silence, you're not invisible, you're in control. It makes them feel uncertain, wondering what's on your mind. People reveal their intentions through small details. A glance, a shift in tone, a forced laugh. I watch for these, picking up what others miss. Observation is how I learn everyone's patterns without needing to say much. It gives me an edge, especially when they think I'm not paying attention. People expect quick responses. I wait, observe, let their intentions unfold. A delayed reaction keeps them guessing. Are you unimpressed, calculating, or simply unreadable? The truth is, by pausing, I control the flow of information and keep them on edge. When I do speak or act, I make sure it steers people in the opposite direction. I might agree with them one moment, only to subtly shift later. This misdirection creates confusion, leaving them unable to anticipate my next move. It's all about controlling perception. A calm expression is unreadable. People look for clues and reactions, but I give them nothing. Whether the news is good or bad, I keep my face neutral. Letting others assume, guess, and analyze without confirmation adds to the unpredictability they can't decode. Staying unpredictable means I don't follow others' timing. I analyze, planning not just the next step, but the one after. It's a mental game where I anticipate every possible outcome. When they make a move, I'm already prepared, while they're left reacting to me. People are confused when I step back from a conversation or confrontation. By withdrawing, I force them to wonder, to question. It's a way of observing, without interference. When I step back, I learn even more, and they never see it coming. I keep my skills hidden, letting others form assumptions. They'll think they know my weaknesses, but by the time they act, I've already set the trap. Conceal your capabilities, and let people believe what they want. It becomes a weapon they can't defend against. People panic under stress, revealing their true selves. I stay calm, unaffected. It throws them off, especially if they're trying to manipulate or pressure me. When you can't be rattled, you're unpredictable. They don't know how to control you. I move deliberately, with intent, even if it's just a glance. Small gestures are powerful signals. Too obvious, and they read you. Too subtle, and they miss the cues. I use this balance to stay in control without saying a word. I don't correct misunderstandings. Instead, I let people believe what they want, building their own narrative. When they think they know my intentions, I turn the tables. Their assumptions become their blind spots, all while I stay a step ahead. I rarely show emotions. It's not about being cold. It's about choosing when and how to express. A calm exterior makes people nervous. They can't read me. And when I finally do show emotion, it carries more weight, often surprising them. Routines reveal our habits, so I change mine often. Today, I might respond one way, tomorrow, the opposite. Changing my patterns keeps people guessing, ensuring they can't predict my reactions. They can only try to keep up. Timing is everything. I don't respond too quickly. it shows eagerness. Waiting too long shows indifference. I time my actions perfectly, creating an atmosphere of anticipation. People wonder about my motives, which is exactly where I want them. A simple pause before answering builds tension. People expect instant responses. They're uncomfortable with silence. By pausing, I create suspense, forcing them to question themselves. This alone makes me more unpredictable. I share only what's necessary. Details are power, and oversharing reveals too much. When I keep them guessing, they try to fill in the blanks, often incorrectly. Concealment gives me control, turning their curiosity into confusion. Being predictable is a weakness. One day, I'm reserved. Another, assertive. The unpredictability is intentional. They can't place me in a box or prepare for my actions. By changing, I keep them on their toes. Reactions are insightful. People read them like a map. I make sure mine are minimal. When they can't gauge my mood or intentions, they're forced to guess, often overthinking. It's a simple yet effective way to stay in control. Unpredictability is a strategy, not random chance. Every move, every silence, every pause is intentional. Being unreadable keeps me in control, forcing others to play by my rules. Embrace this approach, and you'll command attention without saying a word. Be elite, stay elite.